What's up guys, welcome to the internet Moola. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Microsoft Teams if it's not working for you on Windows 11. So this method is the easiest method for you guys. Let's go ahead and start. The first thing, click on the Windows icon and then go to settings. So once you go to settings, click apps and then click installed apps. Right now search Teams and wait. So as you guys can see, what we're gonna do now is we're gonna uninstall the Microsoft Teams corrupt version that we have. Click on this three dots here or icon and then click uninstall. Click one more time and we're gonna install also the Microsoft Teams meeting add-in for Microsoft Office like this. We're gonna wait a few more minutes for the Microsoft Teams uninstallation. And as you guys can see, it's uninstalled right now. So if we click apps again, installed apps, and we search Teams, we're not gonna find it, or we couldn't find anything to show here. So you're gonna see this here. What we're gonna do now, click on the link below this video in the description and it will take you to this link, which is the Microsoft Teams official website. Click on download Microsoft Teams for Windows and wait a few seconds, and as you guys can see, here is the Microsoft Teams installer. Open it and wait. It should pop up in your desktop, so we're just gonna wait for it to pop up here. Click run. So now you just need to wait until Microsoft Teams finish downloading the files and it will start installing Microsoft Teams automatically in your PC. Once you open it again, it should work without any issues. If for some reason it didn't work, please comment below this video and I will be glad to help you guys to fix the issue. But this is the best method to fix it. Sometimes you can restart your PC after the reinstallation and it should fix the issue. So that's it for this video. If you like it, share with your friends. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to get more tutorials. And thank you guys for watching this video. And as you guys can see, right now we can sign in to our Teams account and it's working perfectly fine. So see you guys on the next video. Bye.